Welcome to our essential guide, Social Security changes under Trump 2026, COLA, taxes, and insolvency warnings. We're breaking down everything you need to know about your benefits for the coming year. $56 more monthly from Social Security in 2026? Trump's promises deliver on benefit boosts. However, there's a huge warning. Insolvency looms by 2034. It's critical you know these changes now, as they affect 75 million beneficiaries. Hey, USA Retirement Guide here. President Trump vowed no cuts to Social Security and has delivered so far with a COLA increase and tax relief. 75 million beneficiaries will be impacted by the 2026 changes. Stay with us to understand how these updates, from COLA boosts to tax deductions, directly affect your net take-home pay. But while the news is good on benefits, we need to address the looming problem. Inflation is eating into your gains, and the trust funds are draining fast. The 2.8% COLA increase for 2026 is welcome, but it barely fights the 3% inflation rate predicted. This means your purchasing power remains tight. On top of that, Medicare Part B premiums are set to increase by $17.90, reaching $202.90 per month, which is automatically deducted. The combined pressure of inflation and premium hikes, alongside fast-draining trust funds, means retirees must plan ahead. Let's dive into the core value of this video, the 4 biggest Social Security changes for 2026 and how they impact you. Remember to check your SSA.gov account today. Change 1 is the 2.8% cost of living adjustment, or COLA. This boost raises benefits for 75 million people, including retirees, SSI, and SSDI. The average retiree payment goes from $1,915 to $2,071, an average gain of $56 per month, starting with January checks. Change 2. Trump kept his word on the retirement age. Full benefits still start at 67 for those born in 1960 or later. Early claim penalties and delayed retirement credits remain unchanged, though future reforms for solvency are expected. Change 3 is significant tax relief via the Big Beautiful Act. Seniors will receive an extra $6,000 standard deduction through 2028. This helps about 60% of beneficiaries avoid paying federal tax on up to 85% of their benefits. Change 4 involves Medicare and SSI tweaks. The Medicare Part B premium rises to $202.90, deducted automatically. SSI gets the same 2.8% bump, but asset limits stay at $2,000. No benefit cuts are planned, but proposals for boosting work credits are still pending. Now, let's cover common mistakes that could cost you money and retirement security in 2026. Mistake number 1, spending your full COLA gain immediately. Remember, the Medicare Part B premium increase eats up nearly half of that $56 average boost for many people. Your real net increase is smaller, so budget carefully. Mistake number 2, ignoring the federal tax brackets. While the $6,000 senior standard deduction helps many, about 40% of beneficiaries still pay federal tax on their benefits if their income exceeds $25,000 for single filers or $32,000 for joint filers. Mistake number 3, delaying your claims blindly until age 70. You must run break-even math based on your life expectancy and other income sources. Don't assume that delaying is always the best financial move. Real talk. The Social Security trust funds are projected to hit zero by 2034, leading to automatic cuts if nothing is done. You must diversify your income now and not rely solely on future promised Social Security checks. Ready to take control of your financial future amid these changes? Let's talk action steps. What is your expected COLA gain? Comment $56 below. Like this video for more retirement wins, and subscribe for ongoing 2026 finance insights like recession-proof investment picks. Finally, grab our free 2026 SS calculator in the description below. Enter your income, see your net take-home pay, and secure your future by planning accurately today. Thanks for watching.